Many plants often called healthy that we keep for beauty, air purification, or natural healing can secretly irritate your gut, damage your kidneys, or even affect your heart. We are counting down 10 of the worst offenders, ranked from mildly upsetting to genuinely deadly, and some of them are probably in your home right now. We start at number 10. With one of the most popular bedroom plants in the world. In the 10th place, the snake plant stands as a staple in bedrooms and offices, praised for its air-purifying qualities and easy care. Yet beneath its sturdy leaves lies a hidden risk: steroidal saponins, compounds that can disrupt the lining of the stomach and intestines. For pets, especially cats and dogs, even a small bite can trigger drooling, vomiting, and diarrhea. These symptoms are reported in thousands of calls to the ASPCA, Animal Poison Control Center, each year. The plant also contains microscopic calcium oxalate crystals, which can irritate the mouth and throat. Most exposures resolve at home with rinsing and supportive care, but the discomfort is real. If a child or animal chews a leaf, remove any plant material from the mouth and offer water to dilute the toxin. While snake plants rarely cause severe harm, their reputation as a harmless houseplant is misleading. For more on safe, natural remedies and the hidden dangers of common plants, subscribe to Roots and Natural Healing and turn on notifications. Number 9. Pothos, also known as devil's ivy, hangs in millions of homes, praised for its ability to clean the air and thrive in low light. But the glossy vines hide a sharp defense. Each leaf is packed with calcium oxalate rhaphides, microscopic crystals shaped like needles, nearly 500,000 per square millimeter. When chewed, these crystals embed in the mouth and throat, causing immediate burning pain, swelling, and sometimes difficulty swallowing. In severe cases, airway swelling can threaten breathing, especially for children and curious pets. National Poison Data System records show a steady stream of pediatric calls about mouth burns after nibbling pothos leaves. If exposure happens, remove any plant material, rinse the mouth thoroughly with water, and avoid inducing vomiting. Keep vines trimmed high and out of reach. While the pain is intense, most cases resolve with prompt first aid. For more on safe natural remedies and the hidden dangers of common plants, subscribe to Roots and Natural Healing and turn on notifications. In 8th place, English ivy climbs garden walls and bookshelves alike, celebrated for its lush, trailing leaves and ability to filter indoor air. Yet beneath its classic beauty lies a potent hazard. The leaves and stems contain saponins and calcium oxalate crystals, both capable of causing more than just a mild itch. For regular gardeners, repeated handling without gloves can lead to delayed skin rashes, sometimes appearing hours after contact and becoming worse with each exposure. Clinical studies show that over 20% of frequent handlers develop a sensitization rash within 2 years. If a child or pet chews on the plant, the saponins can trigger drooling, stomach pain, and vomiting. Symptoms may not appear immediately, so any ingestion should be monitored closely. Always wear gloves when pruning or repotting, and teach children never to chew the leaves. For more on safe natural remedies and the hidden dangers of common plants, subscribe to Roots and Natural Healing and turn on notifications. Number 7. Aloe vera is celebrated worldwide for its soothing gel, a staple in first aid kits and skincare routines. But when the whole leaf is used, especially in homemade juices and unfiltered remedies, the story changes. Just beneath the green rind, a yellowish latex oozes out, packed with aloeine, a powerful anthraquinone laxative. Swallowing as little as 6 milliliters of undiluted latex can send a toddler to the emergency room with violent diarrhea and dangerous dehydration. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration has warned that products made from whole leaf aloe, unless carefully purified, carry a real risk of electrolyte imbalance, especially for children and pets. Poison control centers report steady calls about accidental ingestion tied to do-it-yourself wellness trends. The clear inner gel, when properly separated, is safe for topical use. But any product or juice that includes the latex layer should be kept locked away. For more on safe natural remedies and the hidden dangers of common plants, subscribe to Roots and Natural Healing and turn on notifications. Number 6. The peace lily brightens countless living rooms with its glossy leaves and white blooms, often promoted as a safe, allergy-friendly choice for homes with pets or children. Yet this reputation masks a painful truth, as to every part of the peace lily is loaded with insoluble calcium oxalate crystals, sharp, needle-like structures that can cause instant burning, swelling, and vomiting if chewed. Despite its popularity, peace lily exposures account for over 1,500 calls to U.S. poison centers each year, with symptoms ranging from drooling and mouth pain to difficulty swallowing. Many big box stores still tag these plants as pet safe, a label that leads to risky placement within easy reach. If a child or animal bites a leaf, remove any plant material, rinse the mouth thoroughly, and call poison control or your veterinarian. Even so-called harmless houseplants can cause real harm. For more on safe, natural remedies and the hidden dangers of common plants, subscribe to Roots and Natural Healing and turn on notifications. Number 5. Rhubarb often finds its way into pies and jams, celebrated for its tart, edible stalks. Yet the broad green leaves, sometimes tossed into compost or used in zero-waste cooking, conceal a toxic secret. Each leaf contains more than 2% soluble oxalic acid, enough to form crystals inside the kidneys and trigger acute renal colic. Ingestion of just 30 grams, about the size of a large leaf, has sent healthy adults to the hospital with severe back pain and blood in the urine. Children and pets are especially at risk, as their smaller bodies cannot handle even modest doses. Symptoms can escalate from nausea and vomiting to kidney failure, if not treated promptly. The lesson is clear. Always cut away and discard rhubarb leaves in the trash, never the compost, and never use them in any recipe. For more on safe natural remedies and the hidden dangers of common plants, subscribe to Roots and Natural Healing and turn on notifications. Number 4. Wisteria drapes over fences and pergolas with cascades of violet flowers, promising a storybook garden scene. But the real hazard is not in the blooms, it is in the toxic seed pods that drop each summer. These smooth, shiny seeds attract curious children and pets, yet just one can trigger violent vomiting within half an hour. The danger comes from a pair of toxins, wisteria lectins, which latch onto the gut lining and spark relentless nausea and diarrhea, and the alkaloid wisterine, which can temporarily block nerve signals. In documented cases, swallowing 5 seeds has led to dizziness, muscle weakness, and even brief paralysis in small children. Poison control centers urge immediate medical attention for any ingestion, especially in toddlers who are most vulnerable to dehydration and neurotoxic effects. The safest move is to sweep up fallen pods and teach children never to touch or taste them. For more on safe natural remedies and the hidden dangers of common plants, subscribe to Roots and Natural Healing and turn on notifications. Coming to the top 3, eucalyptus stands out as a fixture in aromatherapy and cold remedies, yet its essential oil harbors a potent risk. The main compound, eucalyptol, also called 1,8-cineole, acts as a central nervous system depressant. Clinical safety data reveal that swallowing just 5 milliliters of undiluted eucalyptus oil, barely a teaspoon, can cause severe drowsiness, loss of consciousness, and even coma in toddlers. Poison control centers routinely warn that no home should ever keep pure eucalyptus oil within reach of children or pets. Even vapor diffusers, popular for their fresh scent, can pose a hidden threat. Cats exposed to vapor with high cineole levels have developed tremors and loss of coordination, a sign of toxic effects on the brain. Emergency rooms have tracked a steady stream of accidental exposures, often linked to mislabeled bottles or do-it-yourself cold remedies. Always dilute eucalyptus oil according to manufacturer instructions, store bottles in locked cabinets, and never use undiluted oil on skin or in the mouth. For any ingestion or sudden symptoms in children or pets, call poison control or your veterinarian immediately. The lesson is clear: natural does not mean harmless. For more on safe natural remedies and the hidden dangers of common plants, subscribe to Roots and Natural Healing and turn on notifications. Number 2. Lily of the Valley graces spring gardens and wedding bouquets with its delicate white bells. Yet behind this gentle facade lies one of the most dangerous heart toxins found in any ornamental plant. Every part of Convallaria modulus, from flower to berry, is loaded with cardiac glycosides, specifically convalitoxin, that block the sodium-potassium pump in heart muscle cells. Just 1 or 2 berries or a handful of leaves can slow the heart rate dramatically in a child, sometimes leading to fainting, confusion, or even life-threatening arrhythmias. Symptoms may begin with nausea, vomiting, and dizziness, but can quickly progress to irregular heartbeat and severe weakness. Case series in pediatric emergency medicine have documented complete heart block after accidental ingestion, often requiring immediate cardiac monitoring and, in severe cases, administration of digoxin, specific antibody fragments known as digibind, to reverse the toxin's effects. Even the water from a vase containing Lily of the Valley can carry enough glycoside to be dangerous if swallowed. If someone is exposed and develops any sign of slow pulse, confusion, or fainting, call poison control and emergency services without delay. This is a true medical emergency where every minute counts. For more on safe natural remedies and the hidden dangers of common plants, subscribe to Roots and Natural Healing and turn on notifications. And finally, in first place, oleander stands as the most lethal plant on this list. A common roadside and garden shrub with a reputation for drought tolerance and beautiful blooms, yet hiding a toxin so potent that any exposure is a medical emergency. Every part of Nerium oleander, from the leaves and flowers to the sap, and even the smoke from burning branches, is saturated with cardiac glycosides, chiefly oleandrin. These compounds bind with extraordinary strength to the heart's sodium-potassium pump, disrupting electrical signals and causing dangerous arrhythmias, a slow pulse, and sudden cardiac arrest. The lethal dose is astonishingly low, 0.1 milligram per kilogram, meaning a single leaf or a small cup of infused tea may be enough to endanger an adult. Cases have been documented where inhaling smoke from oleander trimmings on a backyard grill led to life-threatening poisoning. Children and pets are at even greater risk, with accidental leaf chewing or homemade herbal teas resulting in rapid onset vomiting, dizziness, confusion, and collapse. National Poison Data System records show that over 12% of human oleander exposures require hospitalization. And for dogs, the fatality rate approaches 4%. There is no home remedy. Immediate emergency care, and in severe cases, administration of digoxin-specific antibody fragments known as digibind, can reverse the effects. The safest step is to remove oleander entirely from spaces where people or animals might be exposed. For more on safe natural remedies and the hidden dangers of common plants, subscribe to Roots and Natural Healing and turn on notifications. Across all 10, one lesson stands out. Even the most celebrated plants can hide real danger. The line between natural remedy and toxic risk is thin, especially for children and pets. True safety comes from knowledge, not appearances. For more on safe healing, subscribe to Roots and Natural Healing.